Ako di ay si Max. Isa sa akong mga friends nag-ingon sa ako about sa confession ni Sir Dylan last month. She really kept on telling me nga basahon to And she even gave me the link. And I guess she was forcing me to spend time to read it for some personal reasons. Bago lang, since I had a little time, I opened the link. And when I was reading the very long confession, there was really something in me, especially atong nabasa na ako ang line nga, I am sorry if fate brought us together with sadness. Those were the words that I said to him the night when we met at the resto. O gusto lang na ako i-clarify sa inyo ang uban niya information. Kaysa pagbasa na ako sa comment section, daghan na ang nalibog. I need to consider his feelings while typing it. It was not 2 years after we broke up when I became a teacher. When I was assigned at the school where he was also assigned, it was 4 years after our relationship ended. Na-assign ko at the middle of the school year, kay na ako'y na-encounter nga difficulties sa akong exit clearance. Nagtrabaho ko sa usa ka BPO company after graduation. In ato nga time, the school needed an English teacher. Even dili gid ko English major, I got English subjects in my teaching load aside from math. And we all know nga if DOST scholar ka, i-prioritize gid ka sa government. And I hope everything's clear. Sir Dylan was a very caring and loving boyfriend. Suportado gid ko niya sa tanan nakong mga pangandoy. We even had dreams for our future like our ideal family, house, car, kids, business ug uban pa. And I thought that everything would turn into reality. Gitry gid na ako ang akong best para i-fight ang among gugma. It just happened nga busy gid kaayo ko sa akong pagskwela ug thinking all his mother had told me. I was so busy proving myself to be the deserving woman for her son. She confronted me with all the negative words nga iyahang maingon sa ako. And meanwhile, Paul was also busy comforting me. Ug atong giignan ako si Paul kung unsa gyoy nahitabo. Sige gid ko gahilak. Sige ko gahilak because Sir Dylan was my dream guy. He was my daily energizer. He was the reason why I did good in my studies. I could still remember the first time we met. The day nga nahimo ko niyang girlfriend and the day nga nag-ingon kog goodbye. Sir Dylan, dili to nimo sala. Sala to nako, sir. I let your mother ruin our love story. I could have preserved enough to continue your mother's negative comments about me as my motivation. Pero gitry gid nako, sir. Never did I expect that while I was busy proving myself, my world jumped into another planet's orbit and started to build another. Dili ni nako tanan maingon sa imuha nga mga storya, bisan pa nga sige tagkita sa eskwelahan. Because if I will, I am pretty sure that the conversation will turn into a moment of silence. Kay kabalo kong muhila ko ug ihag gyud ti ka. And yes, I am engaged but I couldn't deny the fact nga gimingaw na gyud kaayo ko nimo. I could still remember how you treated me as your princess. Sir Dylan, Kailangan gid kaayo na ako mogamit og Facebook para maingon ni sa imuha. Salamat kaayo sa tanan. You will always be remembered and you don't have to worry, for I don't have any hatred feelings sa imuhang mama. Girespeto na ako ug I salute her for guiding and teaching you how to be a good son. I am sorry if we won't be able to fulfill our dreams, Sir Dylan. I am very sorry if I was insensitive in requesting you to sing on my wedding day. I personally am taking it back. Thank you for letting me experience a roller coaster type nga relasyon. You and your mother made me a strong woman, sir. There is a saying goes, first love never dies. I strongly believe in that and maybe wala ka kabaloan na. Ikaw ang akong first love, sir. I need to admit this that I love you but I love my fiancé more. I will always be praying for you to find your new ideal woman who will be with you to fulfill your dreams. Kudos, Sir Dylan. You will stay forever in my heart. Fighting. Your first girlfriend, Max.